Hi, I'm Chad Baker from LE Software. And yesterday I was doing a presentation on using AI in administrative scripts. And there is one that I wrote that kind of freaked me out a little bit. So I thought I would share it with everybody. So let me jump right into that. So we'll start with so the general idea is, what if AI could look through the event logs, find problems, create its own scripts to fix them, and then run that script? Which makes me cringe, but so we'll start with the running a script that what it's doing is it is simply just watching for a registry key. If it's there, it does nothing. If it's not there, it's trying to read the key, it throws an error, and then that writes to the event log. So we'll go ahead and delete the key. And you'll see in the script here, when it finds that that registry key no longer exists, and if we go to the application log, you'll see it creates an error, and it says that the source key does not exist. It gives kind of the path in the error. So now that we've got the error in the log, we will start the AI script, which goes through, found the error. And on the left-hand side, you can see it created a script called new item and then path and the registry key. And then it's attempting to run that. On the right-hand side, you can see that now we got past the key problem. So now it's looking for the value. And on the left-hand side, we see AI created a script to create the value property. And on the reading script, we see that now everything's back to fine because the registry key is now back there. So let me go back to here, show the registry key, and you can see it created the key, and it called it broken with some value data. So AI completely repaired it. Some other things to share about the that I've seen while kind of running the script is that the AI integration doesn't always give the same results. Let me share this out. So one of the things is that it had varying responses. Like in the script that I showed there, it did the new item path for the registry key, and then some other times it tried to do a reg load of the user dot dat. So finds multiple different ways to solve the same problem. Some and also varied kind of some on some of the value types. So like it created that broken key it was looking for, but one time it created different values. And then one of the weirdest things that I saw was that it tried to remove the event log entry. So I don't know if it's trying to hide its tracks or if it was simply trying to make sure that it didn't run again and try to repair something for an event log that had already happened. But so that is all I have to share with you today, but I thought that was share worthy. So thank you.